So my name is Lucas Rabins. I'm a second-year master's student at the Geography department at MSU. I'm originally from Seattle, Washington, and I honestly knew very little about MSU before I came here, but trying to find a grad program that fit my interests, and Dr. Tierkoff, Dr. Bunting, and Dr. Mack wrote this citizen scientist coastal monitoring grant that was right up my alley. I'm very interested in drones, in coastal monitoring. I think coastal hazards are on the forefront of climate change, both in the Great Lakes and around the world, and this is very relevant work, and I'm very happy to be here and happy that I found them. One of the things I really love about this project is it fits so specifically with what I want to do with my life and my career after I'm done with this. Working with citizen scientists, working in communities, getting data that is relevant and will be used immediately by the community is very important to me. Certainly working on beaches, these are all things that I want to continue to do after I graduate. I would love to start working for local governments, possibly NGOs, helping local communities prepare for coastal changes, which will inevitably happen. So I think this is very relevant and timely work, and I'm very excited to continue it after I graduate.